Hello friends, welcome to Drama World for You. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 list of Korean dramas which you can watch right now in May 2021. Dramas with amazing storylines and twists involved in it. Number 1. Dark Hole. In this drama, the strange smoke from a sinkhole turns people into human variants where they bleed black blood and hunt for human flesh. The story shows survivors who fight together in the epidemic, one of whom did not turn into human variant, even though she inhaled the smoke. Genre: thriller, mystery and fantasy. Number 2. Youth of May. This retro human melodrama takes place in May 1980, where Hee Tae, a medical student, and Myung Hee, a nurse, faithfully fall for each other amid a whirlwind of history. Genre: drama and romance. Number 3. Doom at Your Service. This drama, Tak Dong Yeon lives a fairly ordinary life until she stumbles into an unexpected fate, ends upon signing a 100 days contract with Myeol Mang, risking her everything. Genre: romance, drama, fantasy and supernatural. Number 4. Imitations. In this drama, during the TV program, Ryok from boy band Shark gets injured. Due to Maha, Yeon Ryok bursts out anger of Maha. She also receives hate from other people. Maha doesn't want to see Won Ryok anymore, but they cross paths on TV programs and while performing in a drama series. Genre: drama. Number 5. Undercover. In this drama, Han Jung-hyun is an agent of the NIS, National Intelligence Service. While he studied at the police university, he was selected by the NIS. He then worked on the top secret case and he met Cho Young-soo using his alias. He fell in love with her and they eventually married. At later years, the truth gets discovered. Drama. Genre: crime, thriller. Number 6. Taxi Driver. This drama, The Taxi Driver, begins with Jo Dun-chol, a notorious sex offender, being released from jail. Early into the swarm of press, he is whisked away into the Julex taxi, but little does he know that this cab driven by Do-gi is not going to bring him to his destination. Chun Ji-young in a stealth from Taxi Driver. Genre: action, drama, horror. Number 7. Sell Your Haunted House. This series follows an exorcist real estate agent and a scammer. She performs exorcism on real estate, where ghost appears and join hands with a con artist to unearth a secret. Genre: drama, exorcism and supernatural. Number 8. Law School. This series tells the story of a student and a professor in the law school who came across an unusual case. A professor at a prestigious law school and his students get involved in an unprecedented case. Young Jung-hoon is a former prosecutor. Genre: drama and law. Number 9. So I'm Married, My Anti-Fan. The series, Won-jung is a top star, Gyeong-young is a magazine reporter. For potential news material, Gyeong-young decided to attend a opening ceremony for a club. There, she witnessed top star Won-jung's violent behavior and she vomits on him by accident. This led to Gyeong-young losing her job. Gyeong-young believes Won-jung was behind her firing and she decided to do something about it, and they end up participating in a reality TV show. The concept revolves around a top star and their anti-fan living together. Gyeong-young is in financial difficulties and accepts the offer. Meanwhile, Won-joo is offered the same reality TV show and he accepts to improve his image. Won-joo and Gyeong-young try to give each other hard time on TV program, but they become attracted to each other. Genre: drama, romance. Number 10. Bosom, Steal the Fate. This series set in Joseon dynasty under Gwang Hee-gun despises the change of fate of a livelihood. Bosom Man Bao when he mistakenly kidnapped widowed daughter of Gwang Hee-gun and their changes of fate make the story. Genre, drama, history and romance. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you.